first, congrats and wishes to the Imageminds teams. Have been working here for the past 5 years. I think this is the 5th year, and I could see a lot of children developed in all the ways. Now we are focusing upon art and decorative education. Children sometimes they make fuss to come to school, but if at all they come to school, they won't make fuss to come to Imageminds. So all will be very happy. So you have worked hard, and also I'm so grateful to all this team. They have worked day and night for the past 1 week with a lot of difficulties and all. They couldn't have a EB properly, so sleepless nights. So congratulations for making this event a grand and success.
The whole output all over the wall எல்லாம் பார்க்கும்போது எனக்கு அவங்க எவ்ரி செகண்ட்ஸ் என்கேஜாக இருக்கிறது எனக்கு தெரியுது. அதில் வந்து அப்பார்ட் ஃப்ரம் தேட் ஒரு கைட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு பிரமாதமான ஒரு என்ன சொல்லுங்கள் ஃபேக்கல்ட்டிஸு த சேம் டைம் இந்த கேம்பஸ் வந்து அதை இன்னும் அதை வந்து வலிமையாக ஏற்படுத்திடும். நாங்கள் வந்து அடிப்படையில் இந்த மாதிரியான ஒரு என்வாயன்மெண்ட்டை தான் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸுக்கு கொடுக்கணும்னு நான் ஏற்கனவே நானும் என்னை போல சில சீனியர்ஸ் ஆர்டிஸ்ட் எல்லாம் நாங்கள் வந்து கவர்மெண்ட்டுக்கிட்ட வலியுறுத்திக்கிட்டே தான் இருக்கிறோம். அதை ஆல்ரெடி இது நடக்குதுங்க. அதனால் எனக்கு பெரிய மகிழ்ச்சி தான்.
It's really very surprised to see the talents that they have within, and even the chief guest also is really surprised, and he was edified to see the talent of the students. And I'm also happy that Montfort students, our students, are doing it well and making use of these chances very fruitfully. And I congratulate the team and all the students who have done it well.
See, these students are going to learn for the future. Whatever they're learning, this 50 to 60 hours of program is going to be helpful for them for the future building exercise on the creative field. We are trained more than 2 lakh students in the last 11 years. Every school encourages us to do something, this kind of program. Currently, these programs are available in NEP, National Education Policy has been introduced this program. We also gave the 70% of our curriculum to NEP. This is going to be a great future for all the kids who wants to learn creativity in the subject. This is not available anywhere in the world currently. At least last 11 years, the systematic of education, what we are giving from 1st standard to 10th standard, this is not available anywhere in the world. And of course, our coordinators, Mr. Vijay is actually head of our Imageminds program. And all these people actually supporting continuously to make this program happy.